And hello there again, defenses folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome for on another episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the 1/144 HGFC Gundam Maxter. And yes, based on what you see, it is monochromatic and it is from Bandai. Yes, this is Queen the Spades Gundam. So Chibody Crockett will become the Queen the Spade in the Shuffle Alliance, much like the Moncashu and of course George from France. So yep, we see here Gundam Maxter and Gundam Maxter here doing some punches off to the side. Gundam Maxter here, we see the gimmicks that you can do with Gundam Maxter, and of course the content of the set. Wow, this is something new. And Gundam Maxter. So let's open up and see what's inside the box. First up, we have one bag with 2 sprues, one all blue, one multicolored, and a sticker. Second bag has 3 sprues, all gray, all white, and clear red. Third bag has a clear violet, a blue, and all red. Was Mac and the Maxter is mostly red. Another bag, all red and all white. And lastly, we have one with clear red for the stand. And yes, since it is a Bandai, this is the instruction manual wherein not much doesn't have much color into it. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. And first off, we have the A sprue here, which is multicolored. We have some gray here, we have some yellow, we have some clear, oh no, just green. Yep, so this is the A sprue. Up next, we have the B sprue, which is all gray. We see the manipulators are here and some joints. We have a C1, which is all white, and a C2, which is really different actually. So this is the C1 all white, and a C2 here, which is all white as well. And up next, we have a D1, which is all red. Yep, D1, and a D2, which is also all red. Does it have some similar parts? Yep, some similar parts. And E1 here, which is all blue. We see the back of the head here, and then an E2 here, which is a shield is present, which later on becomes his surfing board. F1, which is the effect parts, the punching effect parts here. And then we have an F2, which I think are parts for the stand. Yeah, so the stand actually is divided into 2. We have one sprue here, which is the limbs, or let's say the support for the stand. And then the base for the stand is right here, which is in clear red. And of course, it has a very small sticker sheet. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the 1/144 HGFC Gundam Maxter, a Bandai exclusive. This is the Gundam of Chibody Crockett, which is the Queen the Spade of the Shuffle Alliance. And this is Mixer War saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.